Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and I am Jasleen Teeth and welcome back to my channel Healthy Skin DIY, and today I am back with a new video that is my DIY eyebrow gel. So this is the most requested video on my Instagram because I have posted a video on makeup and that I have used this DIY eyebrow gel, and this is the most requested among that because everybody was asking about this DIY eyebrow gel, and this is the most easiest DIY ever you will see on internet. This DIY eyebrow gel I just made out of curiosity of using my older mascara wand, and for this you need to have a older mascara bottle and Vaseline. And in the end of video I'll also show you how to make your eyebrows perfect even if you haven't done your eyebrows since long, because I haven't done my eyebrows since this lockdown, so I'll tell you how to do it. This eyebrow gel you need a mascara bottle which is empty. I have made this eyebrow gel so this might have some color, but you need to take a wand that do not have anything, just a dried one. Can you see? So you need to take this one and you need to take Vaseline, and what you have to do is take a little amount of Vaseline on your palm. So what you need to do is you have to take Vaseline and put a little, very little amount on your hand like this, put a very little amount, and then you have to just take the mascara wand and you have to roll it well so that all the Vaseline gets into it, and you can see some color is getting on my hand because the wand is getting. So try to coat it well with all the Vaseline. If your wand is very dry, means it do not have anything, and it feels very rough on your hand, then you can use much Vaseline. But if you have wand like mine that is not rough, that is very soft, so you have to take a very little amount of Vaseline, put it on your hand and just roll it so that all the Vaseline get into the wand. So next, you do not have to do anything and your DIY eyebrow gel is ready. It do not require anything, it's just done. But you have to keep this for 2 to 3 days without using it so that all the Vaseline and the product that have been dried gets into a liquid or some consistency so that you can use that. This was my most requested video of DIY eyebrow gel and it is done making. Now I'm going to show you how to make your eyebrows look like a pro. First take your gel and just be careful that it do not have any leftover product on it. So just clean it and swipe it like this, and try to swipe like this, just a little bit. I am not doing much because I have just put more Vaseline into it. So can you see the difference that made into my eyebrows? So next you need to take concealer. I am using this NYB concealer and this is very affordable one. This is about 195 and I got around 125 on Purple. So you can check out this concealer, and this is very easy to use and I can say good for beginners. So you need to draw a natural line around your eyebrows. So get that. Now take a beauty blender, this one, and just mix it with the this. Even if you haven't done your eyebrows, you can put concealer on the extra hairs. You can see the difference. You can also draw it on your upper line of the eyebrows. Just trace the natural line and now blend it. Can you see the difference between this and this? This one looks more clear, so you have to do the same for this one. And this concealer is just best for the beginners. And we are done. Can you see the difference between my eyebrows? So drop a comment in the comment section if you like this hack, and this is very cheap. You can make it out of 5 rupees. So I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then subscribe it now for more such DIYs which are easy to use and easy to make, and everything else. Until then, bye bye.